Today we are looking at the Bang & Olufsen Beomaster 1100, a mid-1970s FM receiver with that unmistakable Jacob Jensen minimalism. Think slim cabinet, slide rule tuning, and an elegantly simple control layout. It's compact, living room friendly, and designed to anchor a small B&O stake. Brief history and positioning. Built from 1975 to 1978, the Beomaster 1100 sits in B&O's classic era, where Danish industrial design met everyday hi-fi. It's essentially an FM-only receiver bundled with a modest but tidy stereo amplifier. You also got 4 FM presets, a luxury convenience for the time, and the signature B&O ergonomics that made their gear feel refined without being fussy. Core technical overview. On paper, the amplifier section delivers 2 times 22 watts into 4 ohm loads with low distortion and a broad 20 Hz to 30 kHz frequency range. That power rating sounds modest, but paired with efficient speakers, it's perfectly capable for a small to medium rooms. The tuner covers the standard 87.5 to 108 MHz FM band, and the pre-selection buttons let you store favorite stations for instant recall. Front panel walkthrough. Front and center is the slide rule FM scale, flanked by station indicators and push buttons for 4 presets. You'll also find AFC and muting controls to help lock onto weaker stations and keep background noise down between stations. B&O's hallmark slider controls handle volume, bass, treble, and balance, giving a tactile visual read on your settings at a glance. The input selection lets you flip between radio, phono, and tape. A headphone jack lives on the fascia for late night listening. The overall experience is deliberate and clutter free. Quick access to radio, intuitive tone shaping, and instant preset recall, wrapped in that clean Scandinavian aesthetic. Rear panel and connectivity. Round back, the Beomaster 1100 is classic Bang & Olufsen unit. Phono input for a turntable with a moving magnet cartridge. Tape in-out for a cassette deck or open reel so you can record from radio or phono and monitor playback. 2 pairs of speaker outputs to run main and remote speakers. As with many B&O units of the era, connections are via DIN sockets, including the 2-pin DIN speaker plugs. There is also a voltage selector for 110 to 240 volts, making it easy to use the unit worldwide with the correct fusing. Dimensions, build and design notes. The chassis is about 50 centimeters wide, 8.5 centimeters high, and 26 centimeters deep, weighing roughly 5.5 kilograms, svelte by receiver standards. Finish options included rosewood style sides with a low profile top deck. Inside, it's a straightforward serviceable layout with RF, preamp, and power amp sections arranged cleanly. The whole point here is ease of everyday use. Simple radio enjoyment, honest stereo power, and a neat footprint that looks timeless on a shelf. Where it fits. Today, as a vintage piece, the Beomaster 1100 shines as a design-forward FM receiver for background radio and casual listening, plus a proper phono input if you're spinning vinyl. Pair it with efficient 4 to 8 ohm bookshelf speakers, B&O's own Beovox from the period, or any modern speakers in the high 80s decibel sensitivity range, and you'll have a classy, compact system with decades-old charm that still feels modern. Beomaster 1100 with looks of 70s and 2 times 22 watts power into 4 ohm speakers won't do wonders but allow you to listen your favorite FM stations with 4 presets: phono plus tape on the back, 2 speaker pairs, DIN connectivity, global voltage selection, and that unmistakable Jacob Jensen look. A beautifully simple set and enjoy receiver for anyone who values design as much as music. Please tell me in comments, what do you think of Bang and Olufsen audio equipment? Are they worth the price? Are they just pieces of interior decoration with the sonic usability? Many thanks for the watching. Until next time. This is Spacetime Engineering signing out.